guys, welcome or welcome back to another episode of Cook with Marlene. In case you are new here, my good name is Marlene and my content is all about cooking and lifestyle. And in case you haven't subscribed, kindly consider touching that red button and join my gang. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the love, thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate a lot. So guys, as you have seen from the title of the video, I want to bake some chocolate chip cookies. I really love cookies a lot, and as for me, I normally bake my own cookies. I don't buy them because I love cookies. I love taking them with milk, tea, or coffee. So guys, if you love cookies, kindly watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you a simple recipe on how to make chocolate chip cookies. So guys, and don't forget to like this video and also comment down there and tell me what you think about this video which I'm about to make. So guys, without further ado, allow me to get started. In my clean bowl, I'm going to add margarine. I'm using margarine. If you have butter, you can also use butter. So this is 1 cup of margarine, 1 cup of icing sugar. I'm going to mix it until the margarine combines well with the sugar, the icing sugar. So guys, it's not a must to use icing sugar. You can use the normal sugar. If you have the normal sugar, you can also use it. So you mix until you have a smooth paste like mine. As you can see, the sugar have combined well with the margarine. So next I'm going to add eggs, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor, half tablespoon of baking soda, then a 1/3 cup of milk. The milk is completely optional, but for me, I want my cookies to be moist and fluffy. I'm going to use this electric whisk to mix them. So next I'm going to add the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add in small portions as I mix. That is 2 cups now. A 1/2 cup. So far I've added 2.5 cups. And guys, I'm going to list down all the ingredients that I've used in my description box, so you can go and check there. I'm going to list everything down. So your butter should not be, is it butter or dough? Your dough should not be hard or very soft, just in between. So next and the last ingredients is this chocolate. It was a bar, ilikuwa chocolate, a chocolate bar. Then I have cut it into small pieces. But if you have chocolate chips, the better. So next, I'm just going to combine it well. Make sure everything combines well. So I'll take my baking sheet, then put my baking paper. If you don't have this baking paper, you can just do without, but apply some oil and dust it with some flour. That is if you don't have this. So I'll start by scooping, making small balls. I'm going to make small balls. My cookies are ready, guys, and now I'll just let them cool down, and then I'll be back later to remove them from the baking sheet. So guys, this is it. Zishapoa. Soft and moist. Soft and chewy inside, crunchy outside. Very soft. So guys, tell me what you think. Comment down there in the comment section and tell me what you think about this recipe. So I'm just going to enjoy mine with some tea. You can take it with milk, coffee, or chocolate, according to your preference. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.